Hello everybody, my name is Misha and I am CEO and founder of RamVisor AI. RamVisor AI is a personal course registration advisor made available to you on demand at any point of time with the power of GPT 3.5 Turbo. How RamVisor AI works is we take the open source data from the UNC course directory, we take the open source data from all the requirements that exist for students and all the classes that fulfill those requirements. We encourage every student to submit their Tar Heel tracker, and what information we take from Tar Heel tracker is specifically the requirements that are not satisfied. So we look for those requirements in one of the lists of our database. Then we look into the course directory for all the classes that fulfill those requirements and their specific information, like class time, class date, instructor, and all kinds of other information that exists there. And we form our input data from all that information, send it to the GPT 3.5, and it's ready to give you an answer. And let me just show you how it works. So here's the pulled up version of it. And the question we're gonna ask GPT is, hey AI, can you suggest me 5 courses that fulfill every requirement I haven't fulfilled yet, according to the information you have received, and please also list which class fulfills which requirement. Let's send it off. Of course, here are 5 courses that fulfill requirements based on the data I have received. AAAD 250, Blacks in Film, Requirement Aesthetics and Interpretive Analysis. AAAD Caribbean Anti-Colonial Lit, Requirement Aesthetics and Interpretive Analysis. AMST 211, Southern Studies Lit Code, Requirement Aesthetics and Interpretive Analysis. So a bunch of classes that fulfill the requirement aesthetics and interpretive analysis, most likely because everything else on my Tar Heel tracker is already fulfilled. Also, I've realized that the example of this request is similar to the example on our website, and that is due to the fact that in RamVisor AI, you can also choose the days that your classes are going to be on. So in this is the same exact request, but I chose Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And again, I got classes that fulfill requirement, you want to zoom in? Aesthetics and interpretive analysis, but now it's drama 115, AMST 225, and just some other classes to show you that RamVisor AI doesn't just suggest the exact same classes. Also, in this brief video, I was going to showcase our iOS model. So our iOS app model looks like this, and it has a little chatbot option where it gives like a minimal viable product of what our app will look like. So most likely you'll have 3 options to use a version with Tar Heel tracker, without, or ask what is the chat capable of. So we're gonna say we want to use the version with the Tar Heel tracker, upload the Tar Heel tracker. You can see that's what it is. Send it in. Parses through the information, asks us for the catalog number range, so let's do 100 to 400. Let's do 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. And let's do Tuesday, Thursday. Yeah. And we'll give it the same exact question we gave before. And here is 4 classes instead of 5 that fulfill aesthetics and interpretive analysis. A little bit of a bug, but it's okay. And maybe we want to ask it when does the class 8AD 389 meet. And it meets on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 12:30 p.m. to 1:45 p.m. And we can just say thank you. That's it. And it should not trigger a response because it's trained to only respond to course registration suggestions. And it doesn't.